Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 118 Granada Lane here in Pasadena. We're right off Stony Creek, the pool on the waterfront. What could be better? Come on inside, let's take a tour. Hardwood floors, bay window. Back to the dining space, could also be into a family room. Kitchen with large island. Come on out to the reason you want to come home. It feels like a vacation. To have a pool right here on Stony Creek, amazing views. Nice sized kitchen, black appliances, tons of countertop space for entertaining. Back down the hallway, more hardwood floors. Hall bath. Two smaller bedrooms. And the master suite with, you guessed it, water views. Come down to the lower level. Nice open family room space. Come back to the lower level bar. Great man cave space. There's a large walk-in closet, cedar lined, and a full bath. For more information on this home, visit us at our website, kn-team.com, or call us at 410-599-1370. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. Welcome home.